Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Razul Afkar Ali, and this is the affiliate marketing channels, and I am sharing some kind of supplements that is required for our kids. As you know that when supplements are not obtained from kids normal diets, then these supplements is required to maintain the growth of our kids. Basically, this is additional nutrients for our kids diet, and this is available in pills, capsules, powders, and liquids. And this is also additional nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. As you know, that is the function of supplements. I am sharing with some kind of basic informations. This is the supporting growth and developments. Different kinds of vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, calcium, iron, and zinc play important role in the growth and development of the children's. Boosting the immune system is also probiotic, and vitamin C can help the support immune systems and protect against infections. As the third is a functions. Omega-3 fatty acids and certain B vitamins like vitamin 12 and folate have been shown the positive effects on brain functions. Number four is maintaining healthy bones. Calcium and vitamin B are helping to strong bones and teeth. Reducing the risk of deficiency. In some cases, children may not get enough certain nutrients in diet. Supplement can help the gap and reduce the risk deficiency. Then we are recommending 10 best supplements that is available on Amazon's, and you can buy by referring, click the referring our websites, and there's a multiple deals are available at Amazon's. Vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, probiotic, calcium, vitamin B12, iron, zinc, folate, and magnesium, iodine. Just kind of these kind of supplements are available. And at the end, just I sharing my basic informations that balanced diet is the best source of nutrients for children's, and supplements should never replace a balanced diet. What I mean by balanced diet? Balanced diet is the best source of nutrients for the children. It is our daily kids are eating in our homes. So this is the best choice. But if some kind of a diet is not available, or not kids are not growth well, then this supplement should be taken. And this should be that this have side effects are also there, and this should be used by the prescription medication by authentic doctors. And finally, this is a very high recommendations that you should supplements from reputable manufacturer. Original equipment manufacturer is a well defined and well reputed manufacturer. You should supplements. I just kind of that because I am referring best supplement at Amazon's, and also give a refer link at below our videos. So please go to websites and make a deal, and you check a deal. Probiotic and vitamin C, calcium, iron, zinc, these all are kind of vitamins are available, and I refer to you. Please link, please click our your to refer link and buy the from Amazon websites. Thank you so much for this watching this video. Thank you.